Well, as wonderful and niche as the Yule goat is, I think I might be able to one up it in terms of niche. My favorite holiday decoration is the Catalan poop log, the cagatillo, literally translating to poop log. And I am going to tell you a little bit about the cagatillo. So some scholars think that the cagatillo in the Catalan region of Spain, where Barcelona is the capital, something that it goes all the way back to pagan traditions where people would choose a tree trunk and they would burn it and kind of celebrate it as the tree of Christmas. Even if that is true, nobody claims to know the strange twists and turns that tradition went through to arrive at today's tradition. But now it is very common to see families or even schools have a cagatillo, which again translates to a poop log. I made my own cagatillo. They are all fairly crude. I think mine's even a little bit cruder, but it is simply a log. He has a little red hat. And just a little painted on face. A big thank you to my friend Boris for providing me this log. And what the children do is throughout the holiday season, starting on December 8th and all the way to Christmas Eve, they'll feed cagatillo every night. Sometimes they'll even put a little orange, and then in the morning they'll come and there's just a peel left. Some families will even have different sized cagatillos that will get bigger and bigger throughout the holiday season. And then come Christmas Eve, it is payback time. What they do is they set cagatillo near the fireplace. The parents will place a blanket over his rear, and the children will brandish sticks, and they will beat cagatillo and implore him to poop out gifts and candy. And they sing this song. They sing, cagatillo, tío de Nadal, no cagues arengades que son más asaladas, cagatorón que son más bon. That song roughly translates to poop log, log of Christmas, don't poop pickled herring, it is too salty, poop torons or candies, they are more sweet. And then what the parents do after the beating is complete, they take the blanket away from his rear and they reveal the candy and the treats. So Ben, I have a gift for you. It's a Keep On Traveling t-shirt. Oh, and Lisa, come on up here. I have for you some new Rick Steves Europe luggage tags just on sale recently. Great stocking stuffer.
Brand new.
The Duomo and the Neuschwanstein Castle on there.
You took this out of inventory. I really get to keep this, right?
We'll talk about it.
No, Lisa, I want to trade. I want to trade. I already have a shirt. Okay, I love the shirt.
And then lastly, we have the Toron candy, which is traditionally it's kind of a nougat that has nuts in it. So this is the candy that they implore the poop log to poop out for them. So it is quite delicious. So we'll cover our poop log up once more.
And hope that we
Thank you very much. We fed him well.
There might be more later.
There might be more later.